Hello everyone, my name is Nabin Kushwaha. I am from Porsa and I am AC graduate student from Sri Nepal National Secondary School. After AC, I was seeking for a best residential place to stay and continue my plus 2 studies. Then my fellow teacher Sandhya Adhikari miss suggest me that Dostel Living Learning Center is best for you. In the initial phase, I was very low in everything like confidence level, English speaking, public speaking, communication skill, and also in academics. But Dostel provide 3 month session of all those students who recently joined Dostel Living Learning Center, such as computer session, English session, motivational sessions, and also improving the soft skill, presentation skill, and the confidence level. These all sessions helps me to improve my academics, confidence level, and presentation skill and etc. Not these all, I also faced many challenges such as Dostel norms and rules, which was very complicated for me, time management, and I used to suffer from homesick. But now it is not challenging for me anymore. Now I can do it confidently. As per my experience, Dostel Living Learning Center is best platform to study, learning, and many more. At last, I would like to suggest that you all, if you want to become a competitive one among the competitors, then Dostel Living Learning Center can be best for you. Thank you.